Hey guys, welcome to Haana Together. I'm Haana and this is where I share my inspiration together with you guys. So today I've got a really special video. I've got my 100 subscriber special. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I really couldn't do this without you. Thank you for all your love and support that you guys give me. And I'll be making more content soon for you guys and hopefully you enjoy that. If you have any video suggestions, make sure to comment that down below. And if you're new or you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you get notified every time I post a new video. So I was wondering what should I do for my special 100 subscribers, and I finally decided on doing a special spread for you guys in my bullet journal. Thought this is a great idea, so every time I open my bullet journal, I'll get reminded of this moment. So I decided to do an Among Us theme. Among Us is really popular these days and I have been playing it a lot with my friends, so I thought this is a great idea. So if you guys don't know what Among Us is an online game, sort of like Mafia but online. So there's crewmates, which is sort of like the good guys, imposters, which is sort of like the bad guys, and they're all in a ship. The crewmates win by doing these tasks or voting out the imposter, while the imposter has to sort of fake the task and kill people without getting caught. So on the left hand side, I decided to do the part in the game where someone calls an emergency meeting. So I drew a bunch of crewmates around the cafeteria table and someone in the middle pressing the button. I also used my zebra mildliner brush pens here to use for all my colors in this video. If you want to know what supplies I use, I always write down it in the description bar below in case you guys want to check it out and use the same supplies. So I thought something was missing, so I decided to outline everything in like a black fine liner. This way not everything merged together and you can tell the difference between the actual crewmate and the backpacks, as they don't actually have arms, which is sort of weird, but yeah. So on the right hand page, I decided to draw this big couch with many different crewmates. I thought this was really cute to have all the different colors of the crewmates there to have a bit of pop of color. So I have some crewmates sitting on the couch, some facing the other way, and others just lying about. So back to the other page, I actually realized something was a bit missing. It felt a bit empty. So like in the actual game, I decided to draw cafeteria tables around it, as there would normally be more, and I thought this just filled up the space nicely. And I also wrote emergency meeting in the middle. So on the right hand side, I decided to do my title saying 100 subscribers. So the way I did this is I sort of did the letters and the numbers in sort of a calculator sort of font that they do, sort of block font. And for the different strokes, I did a different color, and I outlined this with using the fine liner and sort of drawing each individual blocks to make it sort of look pixelated. So finally, to finish everything off, I just used a bit of coloring pencils of the same colors to just use some shadow like they would in the actual game if you see the characters online. And I also used my Sakura white jelly roll pen just to add a bit of highlights. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!